Hey everyone, Michael Williamson here, CEO and founder of TechGrowth Insights. Today I want to talk about something critical for driving growth and differentiation in B2B tech and telecoms, which is the end-to-end B2B customer journey. And as all of you know, delivering personalized, meaningful customer experiences is key to improving business outcomes in B2B technology and telecoms firms. Loyal customers don't just come back for more, they come back to become advocates for your brand. But crafting those tailored experiences at scale takes deep insight into the full end-to-end customer journey. So what exactly do we mean by the B2B customer journey? Well, it encompasses the entire experience a customer has with your brand, from initial lead acquisition all the way through to renewals and expansion. You've got the upfront buyer journey as they discover and evaluate your offerings. Then the real work begins after the sale to build loyalty and advocacy. And there are several key stages to map out. Number one is awareness, when the buyer first learns about the brand and your offerings. Number two is the consideration phase, proving you can solve their pain points. Number three is the decision phase, convincing them to choose your product or service. Number four is purchase and delivery, fulfilling the brand promise. Number five is support and renewal, ensuring satisfaction to earn that repeat business. Number six is growth and expansion, upselling, cross-selling, growing the relationship. And number seven is exit, managing the offboarding process to leave a positive, lasting impression. Now, a lot of companies focus mainly on optimizing those initial steps to win the sale, but it's actually 5 to 25 times more expensive to acquire a new customer than keep an existing one. So reducing churn is one of the most powerful growth levers you have. That's why it's so crucial to now the post-sale experience. Successfully onboarding the customer and getting them to fully adopt your solution is make or break. Your implementation process has to be smooth, it has to be frictionless. Then you need to provide the right mix of high quality self-service and human support options to quickly resolve any issues that arise. Do all this well to turn customers into advocates eager to renew and expand the relationship with you. So how do you go about optimizing this end-to-end journey? Well, it starts with customer journey mapping, detailing out each step your customers go through and why they go through that. So analyze each touch point. What are they likely thinking, feeling and doing? What do you want them to think, feel and do? What obstacles might be causing disengagement? How can you eliminate those friction points? So some key B2B touch points to examine: your website, your content, your digital channels, sales and account management interactions, implementation and customer success processes, support channels like knowledge bases and contact centers, the renewal and expansion experience. So to inform your journey mapping, you need a constant stream of customer feedback blended with operational and financial data. A robust customer insights program is essential, and to scale it, you need to leverage a purpose-built CX management platform. And with those insights flowing, clearly identifying who owns each part of the journey and aligning them around the actions needed to move the needle. Instill a holistic, cross-functional approach in your organization. You can't afford any breakdowns in the experience. Really seek to understand things from your customer's perspective every step of the way. Bringing all of this together, SAP offers a great case study. By closely journey mapping their post-sales experience, they increase retention to over 99%. The team identifies at-risk customers early and proactively reaches out to understand their challenges and provide high-touch support. They also personalize their upsell processes based on user behavior data. So if you want to harness end-to-end customer journey mapping to drive growth, Start by standing up a voice of the customer program to map the current state of the journey and systematically identify opportunities to improve. Align your teams around the insights and actions, then continuously optimize the journey over time based on ongoing feedback. Make it an iterative cycle. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the TechGrowth Insights channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when I post new content. I've also put together a free leader's guide to conducting a customer experience audit. It lays out a proven 5-step methodology to harness customer insights to foster stronger connections, boost satisfaction, and instill a customer-centric culture. So just check the link out in the description to download your free copy. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.